Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Story Time for the week of November 20th, 2023, Part 1. This week's theme is Thanksgiving. The Circle of Days, from Canticle of the Sun by St. Francis of Assisi, by Reeve, Lindbergh, illustrated by Kathy Felstead. Lord, we offer thanks and praise for the circle of our days, praise for the radiant brother sun who makes the hours around us run. For sister moon and for the stars, brilliant, precious, always ours. Praise for brothers wind and air, serene or cloudy, foul or fair. For sister water, clear and chaste, useful, humble, good to taste. For fire, our brother, strong and bright, whose joy illuminates the night. Praise for our sister, Mother Earth, who cares for each of us from birth. For all her children, fierce or mild, for sister, brother, parent, child. For creatures wild and creatures tame, for hunter, hunted, both the same. For brother sleep and sister death, who tend the borders of our breath. For desert, orchard, rock, and tree, for forest, meadow, mountain, sea. For fruit and flower, plant and bush, for morning robin, evening thrush. For all your gifts of every kind, we offer praise with quiet mind. Be with us, Lord, and guide our ways around the circle of our days. The end. We're going to make a woven placemat. I got these from Oriental Trading. Your Craft-to-Go kit is the placemat. You can see it has little slits in it for you to weave through. You might want to go through and separate them. Like so. Okay, they're all separated. It also has red, orange, and yellow and green strips, which you'll have to separate out. It's strange, I have 4 red and 3 of each of the others. Wonder why that is. Maybe I just got an extra red. So we separate those carefully, put them aside, and then you'll have these stickers. Oh, this one's bent. Oh wow. There's a red leaf, an orange leaf, and a yellow leaf, and these are little acorns, I guess. They have the little cap and like that. They go on. But we'll deal with those later. There is an instruction sheet that comes with it. And it shows you how it's laid out. Like that. So, the only thing you might need is glue or a glue stick to glue the edges down. That way they don't slide out. But all you're going to do is you're going to take one and you weave it over and under. So you go under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, and over. And then make sure it's pushed all the way down. That's nice and straight. And you're just gonna line the edges of the strip up with the edges of the placemat as best you can. Then you'll take another one and you'll do the opposite. So first one you go under and then over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, and under. So you'll just keep doing that until your mat is full, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what else to do. Okay, now all the pieces are woven through. I actually had left over each of them. That's okay. Now what I'm gonna do, which you don't have to do, is I'm gonna go ahead and glue down the edges so they don't slide out. This one slid out, see? They slide out. Just putting a little bit of glue stick on it. I'm gonna do that on the top and on the bottom, and on the front and on the back, because some of them are sticking out the other side. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to put down the leaves. So we just peel the back off of the leaf. It's self-adhesive. I need to go slowly because it'll tear. Try it from the bottom, it might be easier. Okay, and then you just stick it up in the corner. I'm doing mine the opposite of what they suggest. They suggest putting them so they're facing down. I'm doing them facing up. So you do it however you'd like. You can do all the leaves in the corner like I'm gonna do, or you could do some of the leaves in different places. It's entirely up to you how you do it. You don't even have to use the leaves if you don't want. Okay, the leaves are on. Now we're going to put our acorns on. Peel the backs off of those. So a face there. And a little cap. Caps kind of look like mushrooms. There's one. And here's the second one. Second cap. And that's what mine looks like. Again, you can have yours totally different. You can do the colors in any order you want. If you don't want to do alternating like I did, you can do them all the same way. You can have the leaves pointing down. You can put a leaf in each corner and the acorns in the last corner. However you want to do yours, but you can use this mat for Thanksgiving dinner.